Area and volume, our next chapter for quantitative aptitude. More than understanding the concept, area and volume is all about converting the expressions into formulas. So now let's go through some important formulas. First, let's see triangles. Area of a triangle equals to half into base into height. And area of an equilateral triangle equals to root 3 by 4 whole into sides whole square. Now let's talk about circles. Area of a circle equals to pi r square, where r is the radius. Circumference of the circle equals to 2 pi r. Length of an arc equals to 2 pi r phi by 360, where phi is the central angle. And area of a sector equals to half whole into length of the arc into r, that is equal to pi r square phi by 360. Then let's talk about cuboid. Length of a cuboid equals to L, breadth equals to B, and height equals to H units. Then volume equals to length into breadth into height cubic units. Surface area equals to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH square units. Diagonal equals to L square plus B square plus H square units. Then let's talk about cube. Let each edge of a cube be of length A. Then volume equals to A cube cubic units. Surface area equals to 6A square square units. Diagonal equals to 3A units. Then we'll talk about cylinder. Let radius of base R and height or length equals to H. Then volume equals to pi r square H cubic units. Curved surface area equals to 2 pi r H square units. Total surface area equals to 2 pi r whole into H plus r square units. Then cone. Let radius of base equals to r and height equals to H. Slant height L will be H square plus r square units. Volume equals to 1 by 3 pi r square H cubic units. Curved surface area equals to pi rl square units. Total surface area equals to pi rl plus pi r square units. Then sphere. Let the radius of the sphere be r. Volume equals to 4 by 3 pi r cubic units. Surface area equals to 4 pi r square units. Then comes hemisphere. Let the radius of a hemisphere be r. Then volume equals to 2 by 3 pi r cubic units. Curved surface area equals to 2 pi r square units. Total surface area equals to 2 pi r square units. Then one important point to be noted is 1 liter equals to 1000 centimeter cube. Now let's look at some questions. First question. The ratio between the length and breadth of a rectangular park is 3:2. If a man cycling along the boundary of the park at the speed of 12 km per hour completes one round in 8 minutes, then the area of the park in square meter is. The options are 15360, 15360, 30720, 307,200. The right option is option B, 153,600. Now let's see the explanation. Now the perimeter of the park will be the distance covered while completing one complete round. That is equal to speed into time. That is equal to 12 kilometers per hour into 8. That is equal to 1600 in meters. Now was given that the ratio between the length and breadth is 3:2, then let length be 3x meters and breadth be 2x meters. And as we know that as per the formula, perimeter equals to 2 into length plus breadth, that is equal to 1600. So 2 into 3x plus 2x equals to 1600 or x equals to 160. So length equals to 3x or 480 meters, breadth equals to 2x 320 meters. So area equals to 153600 meter square. Next question. The diagonal of the floor of a rectangular closet is 7.5 feet. The shorter side of the closet is 4.5 feet. What is the area of the closet in square foot? The options are 5 1 by 4, 13 1 by 2, 27 or 37. The right option is option C, 27. Let's see how. So here, as the diagonal and one side of the closet is given, so let's find the other side. Straight away, we'll use Pythagoras theorem here. So other side equal to 15 by 2 square minus 9 by 2 squares root over. That is equal to 225 by 4 minus 81 by 4 root over equals to 144 by 4's root over. That is equal to 6. So area of the closet is length into breadth. That is equal to 6 into 4.5. That is equal to 27 square foot. Next question. A man walked diagonally across a square lot. Approximately what was the person saved by not walking along the edge? Options are 20, 24, 30 or 33. The right option is option C, 30. Let's see how. Now let the sides of the square be A, B, C, D. That is equal to x meters because all the sides of the square are same. Then AB plus BC equals to 2x. Now using Pythagoras theorem, we'll find the value of AC. That implies AC equals to 2x root over. That is equal to 1.41x meters. So saving on 2x meters equals to 2 minus 1.41. That is equal to 0.59x meters. So saving percentage equals to 0.59x by 2x into 100. That is equal to 30% approximately. Next question. A hall is 15 meter long and 12 meter broad. If the sum of the areas of the floor and the ceiling is equal to the sum of the areas of 4 walls, the volume of the hall is. Options are 720, 900, 1200 or 1800. The right option is option C, 1200. Let's see how. Now according to the question, area of 4 walls equals to length plus breadth into 2 into height. Or you can say the perimeter into height. And area of the floor and ceiling equals to 2 into 15 into 12 or 2 into length into breadth. So now as per the question, the area of all the 4 walls and the area of the ceiling and the floor are same. So that implies 2 into 15 plus 12 into h equals to 2 into 15 into 12. That implies h equals to 180 by 27 meters. That is equal to 20 by 3 meters. So volume equals to 15 into 12 into 20 by 3 meter cube. That is equal to 1200 meter cube. Next question. A hollow iron pipe is 21 centimeter long and its external diameter is 8 centimeter. If the thickness of the pipe is 1 centimeter and the iron weighs 8 gram per centimeter cube, then the weight of the pipe is 3.6 kg, 3.696 kg, 36 kg or 36.9 kg. The right option is option B. Let's see the explanation. External radius of the pipe is equal to R1 equals to 4 cm. Internal radius equals to R2 equals to 3 cm. So volume of the iron pipe is pi R1 square minus pi R2 square into 21. That is equal to phi R1 square minus R2 square into 21. Solving this formula, we are getting answer as 462 centimeter cube. So weight of the iron equals to 462 into 8 gram. That is equal to 3696 gram or 3.696 kg. Next question. A boat having a length 3 meter and breadth 2 meter is floating on a lake. The boat sinks by 1 centimeter when a man gets on it. The mass of the man is 12 kg, 60 kg, 72 kg or 96 kg. The right option is option B, 60 kg. Let's see how. Volume of the water displaced equals to 3 into 2 into 0.01 meter cube. That is equal to 0.06 meter cube. Because it's given that the length, breadth and the height are 3, 2 and 0.1 respectively. So now mass of the man will be volume of the water displaced into density of water. That is equal to 0.06 into 1000 kg. That is equal to 60 kg. Next question. A metallic sheet of rectangular shape and dimension 48 meters into 36 meters for each of its corners, a square is cut off so as to make an open box. If the length of the square is 8 meter, the volume of the box is Options are 4830, 5120, 6420 or 8960. The right option is option B, 5120. Let's see the explanation. Clearly, length equals to 48 minus 16 meters, that is equal to 32 meters. Because from the total length of 48 meters, 8 meter and 8 meter subsets from each sides are cut off. Similarly, B equals to or breadth equals to 36 minus 16 meters, that is equal to 20 meters. Because here also from the both side 8 meter each square sheets are cut off. Now when the four sides will be folded into a box, then the height of the box will be 8 meters. So volume will be 32 into 20 into 8 meter cube, that is equal to 5120 meter cube.